What's going on, good people? It's Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. Listen, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel, all right? Today, what I want to get into is doing a quick lasagna. We're actually going to use these oven-ready lasagna sheets. So no boil, we're going to do it quick, all right? So listen, first things first, what I want to do is I want to ground some meat. So I got some lean meat. I got some organic fresh ground turkey. It's 93% lean, 7% fat. And then I got some organic ground beef, which is 80-20. All right, so it's a little bit of fat, but not a lot. So really good quality meat. All right. And so we're gonna brown those together. So listen, we got our meat is brown. Now listen, there's not a whole lot of grease in here. That's the reason why I chose the lean, right? So it's not a lean. So now I got chopped bell peppers, onions, and garlic in here, all right? And so we're gonna mix all that up. And of course, you know my recipe's gonna be in the bottom, so don't even worry about the quantities. I'll make sure you have that. I got you covered. We're gonna saute that up real good. I got my spices. I got salt, I got black pepper, I got Italian seasoning, I got a little bit of sugar, and I got a little bit of crushed red pepper, okay? Gotta season your food. That's coming together already nicely. All right. Now, all I have here is tomato sauce and chopped basil. I blended it all together, okay? You can use bottled sauce if you like. You got a certain sauce you like, that's okay too. But I got a lot of flavor in here. So, we're gonna pour that in. I'm gonna pour most of that, I'm gonna leave just a little bit. And I'll show you why here in a minute. So we're gonna stir that up here real good. Incorporate that all together. All right, so listen, while that's simmering, this is what I'm gonna do. That's simmering. I'm gonna take that last bit of that sauce and I'm gonna pour it down here on that bottom. Now I'm gonna spread that around. Gonna spread that around here. I want you to see that here. I'm gonna spread that. And your shells, all right? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start layering them, not to overlap them, okay? Turn that down some, slow cook that. All right? Now, and what we're gonna do is, we're gonna repeat this layer, but first thing first, I'm gonna show you something real quick. So look, I have Italian blend. It's got the little mozzarella, got parmesan, provolone, Asiago, Romano. I got a little bit of the cheddar blend, okay? I like a little cheddar in mine, and then I got the low moisture, thick mozzarella. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pour that Italian blend in, the whole thing. All right, last but not least, I'm gonna do about a half of this one, half of the cheddar, okay? So about a cup, all right? Now, here's where my little twist is. Now, I don't necessarily like ricotta, but I do like that creamy texture. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to pour a quarter cup of heavy cream in here, right directly in here. Okay? Then we're gonna crack 1 egg. And this is gonna give us a nice creamy cheese blend. And it will mimic. Now you can do, instead of the heavy cream, if you have sour cream, you can use sour cream as well. So now I just want you to see kind of what we're working with here, okay? And now we're gonna get ready to layer this bad boy here in a minute. All right. So now we are ready. We are ready to, let's start layering this bad boy. We're gonna do at least 2 or 3 layers. You know, sometimes they have 6-layer and 8-layer lasagna. You can do that. I'm gonna layer it as far as I can go, to be honest with you. All right. Now, here we go. So, I'm going to start layering this. So we got the first layer of noodles. So we're gonna put this meat down. Spread that around, nice. All right. Make sure those noodles are covered good. Now, first layer of cheese. Okay. First layer. First layer of cheese. There we go. Okay. Now, let's repeat. Repeat. You see exactly what I'm doing. There we go. Look at that. Do your best not to let them overlap, if possible, okay? Look at that. Do your best not to let them overlap, if possible. Bingo. Look at that. So now I'm gonna keep doing this. When we come back, let's see what it looks like before we put it in the oven. We're gonna bake it at 375. And we're gonna put it in the oven covered with foil for about 25 minutes. And then we'll take the foil off and let it cook and let that cheese brown for about another 15 to 20, okay? All right, so look, this is the way it's gonna look right here. We got it all layered up. It's ready to go. So like I said, we're gonna bake this at 375 for 25 minutes covered, all right? But we don't want the cheese to get too brown. We wanna make sure it's cooked internally. And we're gonna bake it in for 25 minutes. After that, we're gonna take the foil off, let it bake for another 15. So let's see what we got when we come back, all right? All right, so now it's been 25 minutes covered, okay? Let's see. I hear it bubbling in there. So now, what we wanna do is, we wanna uncover this for 15 minutes until that cheese is golden brown. So that's what we're looking like right now. It doesn't look amazing right now, but it's gonna come together though. But it is bubbling nice. So now we are gonna put that in there for another 15 minutes, all right? We'll be back, let's see what we got. Now it is done. Oh, come on in here, let's see what we got. Look at that. Hold on, I'm gonna pull it out. Hold on. Ooh. Look at that right there, boy. Come on now, talk to me. Talk to me. Now that's what I'm talking about right there. That's gonna be good. So listen, we're gonna let that cool off, but real quick, let me show you something. We got salad in the fridge, but listen, I'm gonna hype these up just a little bit. I don't know if you ever heard of this Julien's pretzel baguettes, butter and sea salt. I'm gonna tell you, if you never had this, it's the biggest flex right here. This right here is amazing. We're gonna put that in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's gonna go with that lasagna, and then we're gonna have us a full meal, all right? All right, so listen, let's cool down a little bit. Look at that bread. That bread's amazing right there. Watch this, I'm gonna break that open. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. Oh my God. Okay, so let's get right down in there, man. We're just gonna cut one of those squares right there. Let me see. I should have cut a little bit more. Try to cut it all the way down. There we. All right, let's see something here. See if we can do this. This is always the toughest part sometimes. Getting that down. I think I might have got it though. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Let's look at that. That looks pretty darn good right there. I'm gonna get some salad too. I had to just try this though. It's got nice layers. Ooh, it's hot too. Let's see. Smells really good. Let's see. That's good. Wow. Listen, I'm gonna make sure the recipe's in the video, right below the video. You guys try this. Please let me know what you think. Also, tell me about some of your experiences with the lasagna. But I love this. It's amazing. All right.